Hi everybody, this is Monday, July the 17th, and I am coming to you with an Ulta haul. I had to go to the next town to Quest Diagnostics to get a blood test for a routine doctor appointment. So my mom and I went to Ulta. And I was looking for some specific things. When I was there last, I don't know if you remember, but I got an eyebrow pencil. I got some, okay, let's go back. When I went last time, you know how the person stands at the front of the store and they're like, oh, can I help you? Blah, blah, blah. This time I'm like, no, don't help me. Because most of the stuff that I got last time from Ulta in my Ulta haul video, I didn't like it and it didn't work for me. So, and all that stuff was recommended by the helpers, the people that work in there. Last night I went online and I looked up all sorts of colors, reviews, swatches, all sorts of stuff on the things I was interested in getting. So this time, other than asking where something was, I did not ask for help at all. And you know what? I don't know. Sometimes that's the best. So hopefully this will fare out better than my last Ulta haul. Okay. As you can tell, I am hot. I am sweaty. And my face is always oily. And when I went last time, I asked them for some pressed powder that they recommended. Oh yeah, you got to use this Clinique powder. That stuff did not do one thing for me. Nothing. That to me made my face worse. Now I just put some loose powder on, some CoverGirl loose powder to make me not so shiny. So that's why I might not look too bad right now. But yeah, so I always use makeup setting sprays. The makeup setting spray I have been using probably the last 2 or 3 times I've bought it is Scandinavia, and you have to buy it online. This giant bottle is like $39. So I still have some in it. I wouldn't say it does anything for me shiny wise. It might set my makeup a little bit. I have used Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray in the past. Now I have not used Urban Decay all-nighter ultra matte, which is what I picked up today. I picked that up. Long-lasting makeup setting spray, all-day wear, temperature control technology, lightweight. So this is what it looks like. It is how many ounces? 4 ounces. And I'm not sure how much this stuff was. You know, they never put price tags on this stuff. But anyway, I did get that. So I'm hoping, let's see how much. I do have my ticket, even though I don't want to look at it. That was $36. To me, that's pretty expensive. But you know what? If it works, it works. Okay, the next thing, I use loose powder after I put on my face makeup, and I'm using CoverGirl. I don't think it's doing much for me. I've used CoverGirl forever, but somehow this oil slick thing is taking me down. So I looked everywhere online, and the number one almost every time, Laura Mercier loose powder in translucent. That's what I bought. I think this big one is $40. Now, if I like some of this stuff, I can always go on eBay and I can get it off eBay cheaper. But you got to try the real stuff first, in my opinion. Because sometimes only time I got ripped off, I think, from eBay was one time when I got some Redken shampoo, and I think they did something to it because it did not work like it normally does. Now, I have never tried this loose powder. It is translucent loose setting powder, 29 grams, which is 1 ounce. It does not come with a puff. I don't care. I use a makeup brush. So I am looking forward to trying this tomorrow. So that's that. I don't know. Maybe I should save these boxes just in case. You never know. What if it makes me allergic or something? Okay, I'm going to save these boxes. I have to put them somewhere. Okay. So then I also, now I picked this up as a whim. I have been using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Again, is it making me greasy? I don't know. I used it years ago. Did they change the formula? They could have. It don't seem to do anything for me now. And I just picked this up. It wasn't that expensive. Elf Matte Putty Primer. Give it a try. I think it was $10. So I don't really know too much about this. I tried to look for a primer. A lot of them I've used and just never had luck with. I can't even get out of the box. What's it say about it? Skin Perfecting Putty Primer, velvety texture that glides effortlessly over the skin, smoothing imperfections. Now, you know, sometimes this cheap stuff isn't too bad. I cannot get this box. Get this back in the box. I do not know. But it was only $10. So, kind of is perfuming a little bit. We'll give that a try tomorrow. What else do we got? Oh, I was also looking for a pressed powder. I like to keep pressed powder in my purse, at work, touch-ups when I need it. I usually have had CoverGirl. I have had pretty good luck with CoverGirl. This last time I had that Clinique stuff, which to me was crappy. I didn't like it at all. So again, went online. Other than the Laura Mercier pressed face powder, another #1 was Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. Now this powder is called a instant setting blotting powder. It does not come with a puff, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna. Yeah, well, it kind of does. Whatever this is, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Feels, I don't know, but this is what it looks like. There I am. So we'll try that. I'll take it with me to work. We'll see what happens. Okay. Next, I asked them about eyebrows when I was there last. What did they do? They gave me, I wanted to try, oh, before I go on, this is Pore Define Primer from Clinique. She just gave me a little sample. So I wanted to try the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. They talked me out of it last time and gave me an Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, which does nothing for me. It doesn't even show up. I don't have that on today. I got Rimmel eyebrow stuff on today, but I can't even put it enough on my eyebrows for it to even matter. It's stupid. So this time I got what I wanted. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is medium brown. Yes, if I did not color my hair might be brown. I don't know. But I wanted something to kind of show up. So, okay, the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte was $36. The translucent powder was $43. And they online they recommended the Anastasia brush number 12. It's a dual-ended brush, so I got that. And the pomade was $21. And it is in medium brown. So I've never used this. I'm anxious to try it. You know, some of these boxes are so tight, you can't open them up without tearing them up. Looks like this. and no smell. Yeah, it looks kind of dark, but to cover my tan, you know, I kind of need something like that. And this is the brush. I never use those spoolie things, but it's on here. This is called the dual-ended firm angled brush number 12. And looks like that. I think you dip it in it and you just kind of make your eyebrows. Wow, that's a really small little thing that goes in. How'd they do that? Can I even get it back in there? Barely. Okay, so that's what I wanted the first time and I didn't get it. Okay, do I have one more? This thing I just happened to see when I was on the Fenty Beauty site. This is $27. Did I need it? No. It is Fenty Beauty Poutsicle Hydrating Lip Stain in Gem and I. Gem and I. Okay. Can't open that there. I guess you open it this way. Doesn't that look cool? She sure has some cool packaging. Okay, I've not tried this, but that's what it looks like. You know, I like the dark lip stuff. Okay, so that is my Ulta haul. And I'm going to put these boxes back in the sack. And we'll see how I fare. And try this stuff tomorrow. Now, I do get allergic to eye makeup, but I'm not really using eye makeup. So, but I'm sure none of this stuff's going to bother me. But for 7 items, it cost a lot, believe me. So, yeah. So I'm going to try this stuff, let you know how it turns out, and go from there. My main thing I wanted to get when I was there out of town was a strapless bra. Well, apparently the Victoria's Secret that was in the mall, which is almost dead, is gone. So I know Nordstrom is having their anniversary sale, and I've already spent so much money. I don't know what to do. I don't know the one that is on sale at Nordstrom that's highly rated is like $46. Am I going to wear $46 out of it? Probably not. I guess I'll have to make a Walmart run and try some at Walmart if I can get by with them and go from there, because I really don't want to spend a lot of money on a strapless bra if I'm not going to be wearing it all the time, which I'm not. So there you have it. We also ate at Texas Roadhouse, which I feel like a big stuffed grizzly bear. I feel like I'm not going to be doing anything tonight, I can tell you that. I am just like so full. Okay, anyway, thank you very much for watching my Ulta haul, and I'll get back to you guys and see what happens. So hopefully some of this stuff works. Alright, thanks for watching.